Hi there. Today I'll be walking you through how to use our Evergreen Expiring Offer campaign template and showing you how to personalize it for your own company. So at the beginning of the sequence, we give you two options you can use to start our delivery sequence. So we have either an opt-in for lead magnet or a personalized tag. Let's go into the opt-in for lead magnet. So it'd basically just be a form that your customer would be submitting with their first name and email, and you can edit this however you want to. You can change it so it asks first and last name, whatever you want to ask them. So customize that however you want to. We just built out the template for you. You can also go into this thank you page. You'll probably want to put your company logo here, change the message a little depending on what they're getting for opting in. Then you'll just go into the settings and change a few things so it makes sense for your company. The other option is to use personalized tag. So this tag will be applied to them and then they'll immediately get put into the delivery sequence. So if that makes more sense to you, you can just choose whatever tag is going to trigger the sequence. Let's go into the delivery sequence, and the first thing you'll see is that it starts once they either opt in or get that tag applied to them. Plus this will run their what's the date feature. So it calculates what's the date that they have until their offer expires, basically. So you'll calculate that within the PlusThis app itself, and then PlusThis will generate a URL for you, and you'll just post that here. After you do that, you'll change this tag. So whatever tag you want to be applied to your customer that opts in for this offer. So we just use the example of an eligible tag, so they're eligible for this offer, basically. And then we have a delay timer that's set to 3 days, so that'll be set to however long your offer is running for. So our offer is just 3 days long, so a tag will be applied to them, 3 days will go by, and then it'll remove the eligible tag. So they're no longer eligible for this offer because it expired. Then we have a series of emails down here. So the first email will be the pitch offer. And if you go into it, you'll see I already built the countdown timer for you. You just have to personalize it so it's for your own customers. So how you'll do that is you'll double click here and then click change image. It'll bring you to a custom image URL. And you'll delete this one. That's what generates this. And then within PlusThis, you'll create your own countdown timer for this offer, and it'll generate another link for you, and you'll just paste that here and it will update. The other thing you have to do within the email is obviously just add your own offer, personalize it for your company, and then you can play around with some of our features like PlusThis Smart Links. So it's a smart link that'll, if the customer clicks it, it'll send them to the offer page. And let's say they don't have the eligible tag anymore, then it'll send them to like oops, your offer expired page. You can also use the what's the date feature again, use a merge field to make it say something like your offer ends on Friday the 17th. So that's also fun. And then you can use a smart link down here again, like click here to get your offer before it goes away. The next emails have the same template in them, so you'll just go in and customize them however you want to. We figured if you wanted to do 3 emails, maybe the second one would be you have 1 day left for your offer email, just reminding them that the offer is counting down, but they still have time. And then on the last day, you might want to send another email like, hey, your offer expires today, just reminding them to really take advantage of the offer you're giving them. And then in between each email, you have delay timers, so you can personalize this to wait at least however many days you want between each email that's sent. So that's pretty much the delivery sequence lined out for you. Customize it however you want, however it makes sense for your company. And then at the end of our campaign, we obviously have the goal of purchasing a product. You can edit that however you want to. We just have the template lined out for you to get you started with your Evergreen Expiring Offer campaign. So thank you for listening.